Hello and welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. The entertainment industry went into a frenzy yesterday after Billboard magazine excluded images of dancehall heavyweights Bounty Killer and Beenie Man from the cover art of their Versus Effect publication. Beenie Man posted the cover art to his Instagram account with the caption, "Billboard is really that guy." Beenie also stated that we don't necessarily want recognition, we want the same opportunities as other genres because we are the source. The Poor People General Bounty Killer took to Instagram to voice his disapproval for the illustration.
Tell them say me don't know, say none of them no like it. See them all hype up, but that's still not spite it. Batman a cut and go choke all up in a me.
Co-founder for Versus, Swiss Beats, was quick to their defense as he thanked Billboard for the feature but generated an alternate cover of their own that replaced Beats and Timbaland with pictures of Bounty and Beenie. In his post, he also acknowledged that this would not have been possible without Beenie Man or Bounty Killer, who set a big tone for the audiences and represented for Jamaica. Though excluded from the cover art, Billboard made mention of Beenie and Bounty Killer's epic performance in the article, stating that it was a full-on party and a cultural high point for Versus. Beenie Man and Bounty Killer's Versus clash took place back in May and drew a massive audience of over 500,000 viewers. Now, reggae artist Chronixx gave his fans a treat on Sunday by hosting a virtual concert. The event, titled Cool as a Breeze, was held at an undisclosed location and saw Chronixx performing from his extensive catalog. Chronixx also revisited his 2014 Dread and Trouble project and performed tracks like Here Comes Trouble, Capture Land, backed by his Zinc Fence Band.
Read me Bible, well biblical. Meditate up in the morning, so we will spiritual. Said the original Chronixx representing.
The live concert also featured performances from Kabaka Pyramid, Lila Ike, and Jesse Royal.
The hotels and the beaches at the Spanish, them go screeching. Me no know how them do it. All we have to say is well done, well done, well done.
That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.